How to begin a project by using the chain. Before you begin any project, you need to take your tail from your yarn skein, holding your tail with your last two fingers, your ring finger and your pinky, and holding with your crochet hook, any crochet hook, you will wrap it around your crochet hook twice. Now you will see two wrap around single strands, 1, 2. With the yarn already in the hook, you will pull it through the second wrap around. Now the yarn is already wrapped around once on your crochet hook. See the tail, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over again, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop again. Continue to do so until your project tells you how many chains to make. Here's how it looks so far. Notice the top has the V shapes, whereas the back has bumps.